In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name in Microsoft Teams. If you want to update the name that appears on your Microsoft Teams account, the process is pretty simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. This is useful if your display name is outdated, misspelled, or if you've recently changed the name you want associated with your Microsoft account. To begin, open Microsoft Teams. You can do this in your browser or through the Teams app, depending on what you normally use. Once Teams is open and you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen where your profile picture or avatar appears. This is where you'll find your account options. Click on your avatar in the top right corner. A small menu will open showing options related to your profile and account settings. In that menu, look for the pencil icon and click it. The pencil icon is typically used to edit profile details, so this is the next step that takes you closer to changing your name. After that, click on Manage Account. This will take you out of the main Teams interface and into your Microsoft account settings, where your personal profile information is controlled. Keep in mind that your Teams name is often connected to your broader Microsoft account, which is why this change happens there instead of directly inside a Teams chat or meeting window. Once you're on the Microsoft account profile page, find and click Edit Name. This option lets you update the first and last name associated with your account. When the name fields appear, enter the name you want to use. Take a moment to double check the spelling before saving, especially if this name is visible to coworkers, classmates, or other contacts in Teams. Now, change your name and click Save. After saving, the update should be applied to your Microsoft account. In some cases, the change may appear in Teams right away, but sometimes it can take a little time to sync across Microsoft services. If you don't see the update immediately, try refreshing Teams, signing out and back in, or waiting a few minutes. That's all it takes to change your name in Microsoft Teams. Just open Teams, go to your avatar, select the pencil icon, choose Manage Account, click Edit Name, then enter your new name and save it. If this video helped you, you can use the same path later as anytime you need to update your account details again.